my channel. This is Brunette Wig Place and I am Lisa. I am so glad that you are here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and every time I post a new wig related video or hair loss chat video or a vlog or anything, you will get a notification letting you know that I've posted something new. So today I am wearing Jon Renau Carrie, and this is the petite cap, and the color on her is FS6 3027, which is Toffee Truffle. So, as I said, this is a human hair wig, and it is, the nice thing about it is that it still has your monotop open wefted cap, just like you're used to on so many of the Jon Renau wigs, but rather than having synthetic hair, it has human hair. So I have had this for a while. I bought it from a wig sister, and I've washed it, I've let it air dry, so I can tell you that it does dry with kind of a wave in it. And I think it's actually a wearable wave. I actually was like, you know, I should get maybe some mousse and put it in there and just go with those waves. But I did go back in and put just some loose, you know, barrel curls down towards the ends just to kind of clean the curl up a little bit. But it does dry in a wavy pattern. So very, very easy to care for. You know, the nice thing about a human hair wig is that you can just use your regular, you know, shampoos and conditioners. Now, I would use a nice shampoo and conditioner. You want to try to make your wig last as long as possible. So I used a sulfate-free, you know, gentle shampoo and conditioner on mine. But other than that, I didn't put any product in her. I didn't do anything like that. She's holding her curl great. I have had it curled like this for a couple of weeks, and the curl has relaxed some, but it's not bad. So then when I store it back in the box, I put it in the hairnet so that it'll hold that curl, and then when I'm ready to pull her back out and wear her again, I can just pull her back out and wear her again. So I've been really, really happy with her, and I think she is a great starter piece when you're interested in trying some human hair. You know, she does have that human hair price point on her, of course, but as far as one thing that I see and questions that I get a lot of times when people are wanting to go from synthetic wigs to human hair wigs is all these different types of cap constructions that are out there. And so that's one thing that's really nice. I like to recommend this wig as a starter human hair piece because the cap is going to be, like I said, exactly what you're used to. So it's not some, you know, foreign type cap that you're not sure if you need to tape it down, glue it down, whatever. Those caps are still kind of intimidating to me. So I totally understand, you know, how people are feeling whenever they ask me questions about that. So let's go ahead and jump in and we will start this review on Carrie. I'm going to do a turn so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll get into her specs. So here's my right side, the back. And you can see those just, she holds a bouncy curl really nice. My left side, and then back to the front. So as far as her measurements are concerned, she is pretty much 10 inches, 10 to 10 and a half inches all the way around. 10-inch bang, 10 and a half inches from the crown, 10-inch sides, and then her nape back here is 7 inches. So she falls at a nice place. She just kind of grazes, you know, my shoulders, gives me enough length. There's enough hair there to play with and do some different styles on, but she's not super long to where, you know, I'm really having to worry about it, you know, that much. So I don't have a lot of trouble with her tangling. That's one thing that I find with human hair wigs versus synthetics. It's kind of nice to not have to deal so much with the tangling. Now they will tangle, obviously, if you're in a lot of wind and stuff like that, but it's much less, you know, much fewer tangles, and you're not going to get that, you know, tangling from the rubbing on your clothing and stuff like that. So I've been really happy with that with her. This color is Toffee Truffle, which is FS6 3027. And this is a color I'd been wanting to try in their synthetic also, but I just happened to see this for sale on Facebook from a wig sister, and I was like, oh, well, I'll try it in the human hair. And the human hair shades and the synthetic shades, there are videos out there comparing the two. Ladies who do reviews for Jon Renau have been actually posting those lately. So look on Instagram and look on here on YouTube, and you'll find some of those videos that compares the synthetics and the human hair shades, and you'll get to see those differences that are in the shades. So like I said, this is FS6 3027. So you've got a 6 base, which is a medium brown, and then you've got they consider it to be a red gold brown, which it is more. I have to say, what I've noticed with the human hair is it does bring in some more golds and some more warmth to the hair. So you've got a 6, a 30, and a 27, and you can clearly see those colors. So you've got an auburn in there, and you've got a gold blonde in there. But it's highlighted. It's actually that FS is fashion syrup. So they're supposed to be fashiony, fashionable, and a more pronounced highlight is my understanding for those shades. So very pretty color. So you can definitely see the variation in the colors, but it just looks like you've been to the salon and spent, a nice chunk of change on some good highlights and lowlights in your hair, and it just looks very, very pretty. So I will show you her lace front. So like I said, she has a full mono top, and I'll show you that when I pop the cap off. But so really, really pretty. The lace front is nice. There's even some little tiny hairs that kind of want to come down. They're not specifically cut as baby hairs, but it's just because it's human hair. It just falls very naturally there. And, I thought I was going to want to trim this lace back because there is a little bit of a lace there. You could trim it if you wanted to, but it's invisible. It doesn't show. It doesn't bother me. So at this time, I'm not planning on trimming it. And the way the hair falls, you don't really see it that much anyway. So ear tabs are really nice. Jon Renau makes a really nice cap. So it's got a good, nice size piece of metal in there, and it's long. And they stay very flush up against my face, and I've got great coverage there. So really happy with that. So let's look at the inside of her cap. Okay, so like I said, full mono top. This is no different than what you're seeing in a synthetic. You see how that cap, it's really, really nice. So she's got that temple to temple lace front. She's got a single, full mono top, which is really nice. You can see all those different colors that are in the wig there. She's got nice, soft velvet ear tabs and lots of hair on those ear tabs, which I love because when you pull that hair back in a style, it just looks, you've got plenty of coverage there, which is really nice. She has an extended nape. She has Velcro closures. This is that soft velvety material as well. Open wefted cap throughout. So great. Just the common cap that you're used to. You've just got human hair on it instead of synthetic, and there is not I don't find any permatease. I don't know what the status is as far as if they do teasing with human hair. I'm not sure, but there's no permatease in this. She just has, her volume is just coming from her cut and from, the amount of hair that's in it. And I was a little concerned that wefting might show back here or something, but she has plenty of hair. So I have not had any trouble with wefting showing. So I've been really, really happy with that. So let's take this one outside and we will look at this shade outside in the natural light. Okay, so we are outside with this FS6 3027 Toffee Truffle in the human hair color. Out here in the natural light. It's a cloudy day today, so no bright sun on it, but you can easily see the different highlights. You can see that the red gold blonde. You can also see the auburn. So very pretty. And you can kind of see how the hair moves out here in the breeze. Very comfortable. Okay, let's take her back. Okay, so we are back inside with Jon Renau Carrie in the color Toffee Truffle. And I just want to show you a little bit of styling. You've got plenty of length here with your 10 to 10.5 inch, length. You've got plenty of length to do all kinds of styles. So, I clip her back, really easy. You can also, pull it all the way back, and because that lace front is so nice, so you can do her like that. She's got the length if you want to pull her back like this. you know, and just clip her all the way off the face, you can do that. I haven't tried her like in a ponytail. I think she's got the length though. Yeah, she's got the length for, oh, she actually looks cute like that. She's got the length for, you know, just a little small pony, or if you wanted to do a twist with her, you could do a twist with her, you know. Just really, really cute. She's very versatile, very easy to work with. I've just found that the hair is easy to work with. And as far as these curls, I just did these with a 1 1/4 inch barrel curling iron. You know, you could also do the ones maybe with a flat iron. I'm not very good with curling with a flat iron. You can straighten her out as well. I just haven't done that with her yet. So my hair was straight as a board when I had my bio hair, so I kind of enjoy having a little curl, a little body to my hair that I wasn't able to get with my bio hair. So she's also great with glasses. I wear reading glasses, sunglasses all the time, so no problem with the glasses. She goes on very, very easily. Those ear tabs are nice, so, you know, it's just very easy to get glasses on with her. So I'm just really happy with her. She's a very, very pretty wig. Like I said, I think the biggest thing I would say about her as far as human hair, you know, going into a human hair piece, is she is a great starter piece. She's not too long. She's got your cap that you're, you know, that you're used to seeing if you've been wearing synthetic wigs. And she's just a very easy wig to work with, and she's wearing very well. I've just been really, really happy with her. So I'm happy to share her with you all today. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you coming to my channel. Leave a comment. Let's interact. Let's talk. Thank you so much again for watching. I appreciate all of you. Hope you have a wonderful day. And don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.